Hello everyone, and today we have a portable espresso maker from HiBREW, namely the H4C model. All this comes in a hard, protective black case of good quality that makes it easy to carry around. Well, let's open this case and see what's inside. Inside you will find instruction manual, quick instruction, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, Nespresso capsule holder, coffee spoon, aluminum alloy stand, stainless cough powder filter, 10 to 12 grams, Nescafé Dolce Gusto capsule adapter, Nespresso original capsule adapter, and of course the HiBREW H4C portable espresso maker itself. The HiBREW H4C is the first portable espresso machine that works seamlessly with ground coffee, Nespresso original capsules, and Nescafé Dolce Gusto capsules, something I haven't seen in any other portable machine. This versatility means you can enjoy your favorite coffee format whether you're camping in the mountains or staying in a hotel. The Dolce Gusto compatibility is particularly exciting as it opens up a world of milk-based drinks like lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos, without requiring separate milk heating equipment. Perfect for those who prefer creamy coffee creations even when away from home. The coffee maker itself is the size of a small thermos, namely the dimensions are 75 by 75 by 220 millimeters, and the weight is 825 grams. Like most portable espresso makers, the water tank is on top, with a maximum capacity of 100 milliliters. In the middle part of the body on the front side are all the controls: a battery charge indicator, a small display showing the temperature and brewing time, and with its help you can set the desired brewing temperature from 85 to 95 degrees Celsius for ideal extraction. Also below are two control buttons. The upper one is responsible for heating and brewing, and the second one is for direct brewing. Having such information on such a compact portable machine is really great. At the bottom there is a lid that can be removed and used as a cup for a drink. Here is also the brewing head, unscrewing which inside it we can find an adapter compatible with Nespresso original capsules. In the same way, here you can install the basket that is included in the set for brewing ground coffee. On the back of the case, under the silicone plug, there is a USB-C charging port that allows you to charge the batteries directly. Below is a safety lock. By pressing it and simultaneously turning the case counterclockwise, you can unlock access to the removable batteries. More precisely, they are located behind this cover, opening which we will find 3 rechargeable lithium batteries of the 18650 format, at 3.7 volts. The capacity of each battery is 2,500 mAh, which means that here 7,500 mAh. This really solves a big problem with portable coffee machines that heat water. They usually discharge too quickly. Having replaceable batteries is a smart idea that makes this machine much more practical for outdoor use, and also extends the life of the product, since the used batteries can be recycled properly and replaced with new original batteries. Heating consumes quite a lot of energy. If you heat and brew, you can only make about 3 to 5 cups of coffee, depending on how much water you heat. If you skip the heating function and use hot water directly, you can make over 200 cups of coffee on a single charge with this HiBREW H4C coffee maker. Now I'll show you how to make espresso using this coffee maker. The package also includes this cool 172-gram brew stand, so you can rest the machine on it while brewing, instead of having it hanging over the top the whole time. I will be using freshly ground coffee to enhance the flavor, as I am a coffee drinker with higher standards for coffee quality. This filter basket holds about 11 grams of coffee grounds, which is a bit small. It would be better if it could hold 14 to 16 grams. Many portable coffee machines use pressurized baskets, but this one is not actually pressurized. So to make the best coffee, you need to pay attention to the grind size. Once you have your grinds done, it is time to prepare the puck. The H4C comes with a tiny spoon that you can use to tamp the coffee with the back. I would recommend HiBREW to replace it with a larger, appropriately sized spoon that can act as a tamper, which will make the whole puck preparation process much smoother. After compaction, simply screw the adapter into the machine body. Then set the temperature. 95 degrees is ideal. If you add hot water to the water tank, you just need to press the direct brew button and it will immediately start brewing. This uses a powerful 20-bar pump so you can get a thick crema and a deep coffee flavor, much better than traditional manual espresso machines. The flow rate and crema look really good. Overall, the quality is top-notch. I like the temperature. It is actually hot enough to feel warm in your mouth. It is better than other portable machines I have tested. If you are using room temperature water, you can press the heat and brew button twice. The machine will automatically start heating the water, and you can see the real-time temperature on the display screen. Once it reaches the set temperature, in my case I set it to 95 degrees Celsius, it will automatically start brewing coffee. So all you have to do is add water, press the heat and brew button, place the machine on the stand, and let the machine do the rest. Many portable coffee machines have issues with the water temperature not being hot enough, resulting in lukewarm coffee which affects the taste. The H4C solves this problem very well. The build quality seems really solid, which is suitable for camping, hiking, and backpacking, and it is also IPX4 waterproof. Right now it is available in several colors, namely green like mine, as well as white, black, and pink. By the way, there are several configurations to choose from. I have the Explorer set, it is mid-priced, but there is also a classic set. This is the cheapest version, and the Barista Ultra set is the richest set. To sum it up, the HiBREW H4C represents a new era in portable coffee brewing. By removing the limitations of traditional portable espresso machines and introducing features that truly enhance the coffee brewing experience, they have created a machine that doesn't require you to compromise on quality no matter where you are. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for great coffee on the mountain trail, a business traveler tired of hotel room coffee, or just someone who values the freedom to enjoy exceptional espresso anywhere, the H4C will give you an experience that will change the way you think about portable coffee. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.